She missed him, but also hated him. And I became the target of all that.
Oh, Ryan.
One stupid day. I was just kind of
hanging out with
fed up with
grandpa
it.
one day, you know?
I told her something I regret telling her.
I was trying to understand.
Deep personal.
He told me he had a
Get her
heart.
off my
He was
back.
dying, and
But she laughed at me. Salts that felt like it went on forever. She
he
hugged me. I didn't know what to do.
So I ran
panicked,
after someone that was
and
dying, and I
pushed her off
ran as far away as I could, and then had a
fell backwards.
meltdown at a public park, probably out in the open.
She didn't get up. I just ran
As
far away from her as I could.
and collapsed on the floor. Public park.
Whatever I did to
Without
her.
anybody saying, crying.
A lot of things I regret that day.
I'm sorry. I
definitely overshared.
Wait. I'm glad you trust me.
Oh, God.
This is embarrassing.
Your secret's safe with me.
Awesome. Bye.
Dax.
Why am I such an idiot?